Hey guys, Character Driver here, back with another video. And today I'm jump starting my Grand Cherokee because I left it sit for like 6 months and now it won't start. So alright, so I got it hooked up to the Jeep. Got the positive on the negative and the negative on the positive. No, just kidding, I don't. But I'm going to hook it up to the car now. Negative on the negative and positive on the positive. Now I'm gonna start this car and let it sit for a second, charging the Jeep battery, and hopefully it'll start right up. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Alright, it's about time I try it. Now if this starts right up, I'm gonna jump out quick and remove the jumper cables right away. Nope. Not quite. Not a fan of that noise either. Hopefully that's just because it was that dead. We'll let it charge a little longer. All right, let's try this again. Jeez. I'm actually thinking that the battery might be dead. Because, not dead, no, the battery's definitely dead. But the battery might be bad because I turned it off, or I took the jumper cables off and tried turning the key into the on position, and it was completely dead. Didn't get any charge at all. So, yeah. Thinking I might have to put a new battery in it. It does look like it's been in there forever. Doesn't help that the light's on, draining the battery as it charges. You know what I'm saying? There we go. Trying it again, but don't have super high hopes. Let's see what happens. I'll give it another minute and rev the engine a little bit more. I've revved the engine up a little bit in the Chrysler a few times, but nothing yet. Really thinking I'm gonna have to replace the battery. But the fact that I can't even get it charged enough to start the car. The last time I had this happen, it was to my Mazda Speed, and we all know how that went. Switching the engine out, so what I did is I took the battery out, and I'm gonna take it somewhere to have them test it. I don't know if AutoZone can do that or what, but battery right there. Yep. Figure out if I gotta get a new one. And I'm also thinking there is a possibility that it may be the starter, but the fact that the battery lost charge so fast after I stopped the jumper cables gives me hope that it's just the battery. So, but at the same time, the starter isn't that bad to get to, it doesn't look like in there. Not near as bad as my Mazda Speed was. So, okay guys, so I've got a brand new battery in here. I'm gonna hook up the terminals and see if it starts. It should. The old battery, I had it tested and turned out it was bad, so this should fix it. Should start right up. All right, so new battery's hooked up. About to give it the first try with the new battery. Here we go, gonna give it the sauce. There we go. Start it up, just like that. All right. Now I can start using this since it's warm and I don't need the heat. The reason I didn't want to drive this in the winter was because the heater doesn't really work and it sucks driving it in the winter. But I'm gonna drive it now since it's warmer out. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you back for the next video.